I'm going to explain how Alexa is recognizing my voice and then functioning. So I got lots of equipments, AC, tube, and bulb, and then TV is there. So all these things will be switched on and switched off when I command this thing. I say, Alexa, switch on the bulb, it switches on the bulb. Alexa, switch off the bulb, it switches off the bulb. Alexa, switch off the tube, so it will switch off the tube. Alexa, switch on the tube, it will switch on the tube. I'm going to do this for my TV. Alexa, switch on TV 1, so it switches on the TV. And I have to name it differently for switching it off. Alexa, switch off TV 2, it switches off the TV. Now I'm going to show you. This is the Alexa. Speaker is there. I have to say, Alexa, good night. It will switch off all the equipment. Alexa, good night. So it switches off everything. Thank you very much.